In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get funded pips to cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to fundingpips.com. Also put a link to that down in the description below. From here, you'll need to log into your account or sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Now from here, once you get inside of the dashboard, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to this plus icon to get a new account. And here you can just add your challenge, you can add a model, a profit target, all of this you can really choose however you seem fit. But from here, you'll need to go down to the trading platform, and it's very important that you choose cTrader, or else you will not be able to connect your funding pips to cTrader. From here, you can add in a coupon code, and I'll leave a coupon code link down in the description for you to get 10% off your first purchase. From here, you'll just need to click I agree to the following terms and continue to payment and purchase the account. Once you have purchased your account, it should be visible over here in the accounts tab, this little briefcase over here, and here you'll find the account. Here you'll just need to click on it, and then from here you'll get a cTrader ID and password for cTrader. From here you'll need to go up to cTrader.com, and then from here you can click get cTrader and then download cTrader for Windows, web, Mac, or any of these other ones that cTrader offers. Once you have downloaded cTrader, it should bring something like this where it'll be asking you to log in, and here you can just enter your email or cTrader ID that Funded Pips has provided you inside of the accounts tab and the password for your account. From here you'll just need to click login, then you'll have successfully connected your Funded Pips account to cTrader. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!